Hello everyone, today we're doing big bouncy curls on this mannequin head, and we're starting with the first curl. I'm using a curling iron that is 2 inches, and you can use anything that is 2 inches and bigger for bigger curls. When I'm doing the curl, I'm doing a little bit of a twist, so you can see it that I'm twisting my hand just so when I take them down it has this nice curl. I'm putting it in place with a bobby pin, and I'm just continuing to do the same thing. When you do the curls, you can section the hair if you want. I didn't, just because I felt comfortable with not sectioning the hair. Also, I'm using a bobby pin or clips. Here you can see how I actually twist it, so we're just going around and then twist when we're coming on the top. And then if you don't want to burn the hair, you just want to clip a little bit the iron. So we're gonna do the same thing for the whole hair. Again, you can section the hair if you want, or if you're comfortable and you know how the curls are going to be, just use your creativity and just do however you want to do it. Now you can see how all the curls are secured with bobby pins and clips, and we're gonna start by taking the curls down and creating those big curls. I'm using a comb to just comb a little bit the curl and the hairspray to fix everything. And I'm gonna do this with each strand. I'm trying to create it that way that they go along when I do the curl, so you can see how the next curl is just going with the other one and creating a nice weave. You can help yourself with your hands, just take some pieces out, give it a little bit of volume. And we're just gonna do the same thing for the whole hair. We're gonna take down all the curls and just try to arrange them in a nice way. If you feel like when you take down a curl it doesn't look nice, you can always curl it again and just help yourself with the iron, with the hairspray, and with the comb to create a nice weave. So this is the final look where I'm just fixing everything, and we're gonna get to the bangs. See how I'm helping myself with the curling iron. For the bangs, I left them at the end, and if you want big volume in the front, you can always tap it. And now I'm just giving direction to the bangs so they can go the same way as the curls are going. Here I'm fixing one curl that I didn't like how it was showing. So you can see the bangs are going the same way in the back. And this is the final look. These are the big bouncy curls. If you want to brush them through, they're gonna look more like a Hollywood wave. But I think it looks pretty good. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.